Hey, what is up, everybody? Welcome back to another video. Today, I'm going to be talking to you guys about a different thing here in the channel, and that is how do you use your Xbox controller or your Elite Series 2 controller for a PlayStation 5, PlayStation 4, or Nintendo Switch. If you like how that sounds, I want to ask you guys for a big favor to please like, subscribe, and turn on all notifications for more videos like this and much more. Well, if you spent a lot of money, buying a PlayStation 5 and you're not too happy with using the controller, or even worse, I would have to say worse, is the PlayStation 4 controller. I'm not a fan of it, and I bet a lot of you guys are not. And that is the reason why the Xbox One Elite Series 2 controller and also the Xbox controller is still very popular, because a lot of you guys purchase it probably for gaming on PC. But today, I'm going to be talking to you guys on what you need to do on how to make the Elite Series 2 or the Xbox controller so you are able to use it for the PlayStation 5, PS4, Nintendo Switch, PC as well, and many others. What you need to do is get this device. It's called Big One. It is the R100 Pro. What it does is the following. It allows for you to use your Xbox Series controller to be able to use it for the PlayStation 5, PS4, Switch, and many others. So what you need to do is, first, for the PlayStation 5, you got to do the following. First, you got to insert the R100 device in the PlayStation 5 USB port. Next, you're going to press on the button, on the home button for the Xbox controller. Then you're going to hit the pair button on the Xbox controller, and then automatically the device itself will recognize that you're trying to connect the controller with the PlayStation 5. And that's how easily you are able to connect and pair up your Xbox controller along with the PlayStation 5. And probably you're going to be able to enjoy much better all those PlayStation 5 games. If you don't like the PlayStation 5 controller, you can use the Xbox Series X controller. And the same thing goes with the PlayStation 4. All you got to do is plug it into the PlayStation 4. Next, you're going to pair up your Xbox controller, hit the home button and then the pair button, and it will automatically do the same thing for the Nintendo Switch as well as for the PC. And that's how easily you are able to do this. So if you like how that sounds, all you got to do is go in my description, click on that Amazon link, go to it, purchase it, and then just wait until it gets to you, and then bada bing, bada boom, you're able to use that. And then you're going to be a happy gamer, because you're going to be able to use that Xbox controller along with your PlayStation 5. And I know that PlayStation 5 is very expensive. And if you have an Xbox controller, then, it's a win-win, I think. Anyways, I hope you guys like that. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on all notifications. And I'll see you guys on the next video.